Hello, and welcome. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Building assets is the key. It's about creating a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. Imagine this: waking up without worrying about bills, pursuing your passions freely, and having the financial security to live life on your terms. That's the power of assets. Assets are things you own that put money in your pocket. They are the building blocks of your financial future. They are your financial superheroes, working tirelessly to grow your wealth. Think of them as your personal team of wealth builders. Let's break it down with some familiar examples. Each type of asset has its own unique benefits and potential for growth. Stocks. When you own stocks, you own a tiny piece of a company. This means you have a stake in its success. As the company grows, so does the value of your stock. This can lead to significant financial gains over time. Real estate. Think houses, apartments, or even that cute little coffee shop downtown. Real estate is tangible and often appreciates in value. Real estate can generate rental income or appreciate in value over time. It's a solid investment that can provide both immediate and long-term returns. Businesses. Ever dreamed of being your own boss? Owning a business can be incredibly rewarding. Starting and growing a business, whether it's a small online store or a brick-and-mortar shop, is a fantastic way to build wealth. It allows you to leverage your skills and passions. Intellectual property. Have you written a book, created a catchy jingle, or invented something amazing? Those are assets too. They can generate royalties and licensing fees. These are just a few examples, but the world of assets is vast and exciting. There are many other types of assets, each with its own potential for growth and income. The key is to find what interests you and explore the possibilities. By understanding and investing in assets, you can secure your financial future and achieve your dreams. Let's face it, relying solely on a salary can only take you so far. You trade your time for money, and there are only so many hours in a day. Building assets is about breaking free from this cycle and creating multiple streams of income. Imagine this: your investments generate enough passive income to cover your living expenses. You wake up without the pressure of a 9-to-5 job, free to pursue your passions or spend precious time with loved ones. That's the beauty of assets. Think of saving as the sturdy foundation upon which you'll build your asset empire. Just like a house needs a solid base to stand tall, your financial future depends on the strength of your savings. It all starts with putting money aside consistently. Here's how you can begin to lay that foundation and ensure it remains strong over time. 1. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. This step is crucial because it gives you a clear picture of your financial habits and helps you identify areas for improvement. Identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's those daily coffee runs or dining out frequently. Small changes can lead to significant savings over time. 2. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month. This way, you won't even have to think about it, and your savings will grow effortlessly. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. Just as you wouldn't skip paying your rent or mortgage, don't skip your savings. 3. Set financial goals. Having clear goals, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or traveling the world, gives you a purpose to save. Investing in a rental property can be a great way to build wealth and generate passive income. Or perhaps you're dreaming of retiring early. Whatever your goals, they will keep you motivated and focused. 4. Visualize your success. Imagine the feeling of achieving your goals. Picture yourself living in that dream home or enjoying a comfortable retirement. This positive reinforcement will make the savings journey more enjoyable and keep you on track. Remember, even small amounts saved consistently add up over time. Consistency is key. Every little bit counts, and over the years you'll be amazed at how much you've accumulated. Section 5. Step 2. Dip your toes into stocks. Investing in stocks can be a thrilling journey, but it can also seem daunting if you're just starting out. Stocks can seem intimidating at first, but they're like tiny pieces of ownership in amazing companies. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small part of a company, which means you get to share in its successes and sometimes its challenges. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street expert to get started. First, start small. It's perfectly okay to begin with a modest amount of money. This way, you can learn the ropes without feeling overwhelmed. Begin with a small amount of money that you're comfortable investing. This could be as little as the cost of a few cups of coffee. Next, diversify. Diversification is key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This old adage holds true in investing. By spreading your investments across different companies and industries, you reduce the risk of any single investment hurting your overall portfolio. Invest in a mix of different companies and industries. This way, if one sector underperforms, others may perform well, balancing out your overall returns. Consider index funds or ETFs. These are collections of stocks that track a specific market index, offering you instant diversification. They are a great way to invest in a broad range of companies without having to pick individual stocks. These are like baskets of stocks that offer instant diversification. And think long-term. Investing isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth over time. The stock market goes up and down in the short term, but over the long haul, it has historically trended upwards. This means that while there will be ups and downs, the general direction has been positive. Remember, investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about staying the course and not getting discouraged by short-term fluctuations. Be patient, ride out the fluctuations, and watch your investments grow over time. Patience and consistency are your best allies in the world of investing. So take a deep breath, start small, diversify, and think long-term. Happy investing. Section 6. Step 3. Exploring the realm of real estate. Real estate is like owning a piece of the earth, and it's been a popular way to build wealth for generations. Let's explore some options. First, rental properties. Owning rental properties can generate passive income and provide long-term appreciation. Then there's house hacking. Live in one unit of a multifamily property and rent out the others to cover your mortgage and potentially even generate income. And don't forget REITs. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in a portfolio of properties without the hassle of being a landlord. Real estate investing requires careful consideration, but the potential rewards can be substantial. Section 7, Step 4, Unleash your inner entrepreneur. Side hustle power. Starting a side business is an exciting way to build assets while pursuing your passions. It's about turning your skills, talents, and interests into income-generating ventures. Here are some ideas. Freelancing. Offer your skills online as a writer, graphic designer, virtual assistant, or anything else you're good at. E-commerce. Start an online store selling products you love or create your own unique merchandise. Online courses and coaching. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services. Remember, starting a side hustle takes effort, but it can be incredibly rewarding both financially and personally. Section 8, Step 5, Invest in yourself, your most valuable asset. You are your most valuable asset. Investing in yourself is essential for personal and financial growth. Here's how. 1. Education and skills development. Take courses, attend workshops, or pursue certifications to enhance your knowledge and skills. 2. Health and well-being. Prioritize your physical and mental health through exercise, proper nutrition, and stress management techniques. 3. Networking. Attend industry events, connect with people online, and build relationships with mentors and peers. Remember, the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become, both personally and professionally. Section 9. Common mistakes to avoid on your asset building journey. Building assets is a journey, and like any journey, there are common pitfalls to avoid. Here are a few to watch out for. 1. Trying to get rich quick. Building wealth takes time and effort. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes as they rarely pan out. 2. Not having a plan. Having a financial plan is crucial for staying on track and making informed decisions. 3. Investing in what you don't understand. Before investing in anything, take the time to educate yourself and understand the risks involved. Section 10. Patience and long-term vision. Your keys to success. Building assets is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and a long-term vision to see significant results. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations or setbacks. Stay focused on your goals, continue educating yourself, and make adjustments along the way. Remember, the power of compounding works its magic over time. Section 11. Start building your financial future today. Congratulations on taking this important step toward building a brighter financial future. Remember, the journey starts with a single step. Choose one action item from this guide and take action today. Your